Hello there and welcome to this particular exercise, which is called Reactivity of Metals. Now, scientists can work out how reactive a particular method is by using three different materials with metals. The first one is reaction with oxygen. The second one is reaction with water. And the third one is the metal reaction with acid. So here we go. That's the first experiment. So the first experiment is a reaction with oxygen, whereby you heat the metal up using a Bunsen burner, so a small flame at the bottom, and then you check how much oxygen is being used up and what the reaction actually is, and the gas in the jar as well. And the second one is reaction with water, where you drop the metal in the cold water over a certain period of time, and you check if it reacts or if there's a reaction there, or if there's a change in state. And the third one is reaction with acid. So you've got a test tube with acid in there, and you put the metal inside the acid and check for any reactions there as well. This particular table gives you more ideas on how these reactions actually work and what the end results are by using these three particular reactions. And you've got the various metals here on the left-hand side, and you can also see the verdict, whether they were reactive or not. So for example, with lead, you can see the reaction with oxygen melts but does not burn. Reaction with water, there's no reaction at all, so it stays the same. And reaction with acid is extremely slow, okay? So this way you can actually work out which metals are reactive, how reactive they are, and at the same time whether they react or not. This is how scientists actually work out which particular metals and how much reaction that they actually have. And this is just a practical exercise that you may even do in school soon as well. Okay, thank you so much.